The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson is refreshingly unconventional self-help book that challenges the notion that we need to care about everything. Manson shares insightful lessons on how to prioritize our concerns, embrace authenticity and find true happiness in life, and shares few key concepts. Concept 1. Feedback loop from hell. A negative experience will trigger an emotional response. It could be failure, rejection, or criticism. We interpret the negative experience in a way that reinforces our insecurities, self doubt, or negative beliefs about ourselves. We often attack personal meaning to the event, viewing it as evidence of our incompetence, unworthiness, or lack of value, which will lead to negative emotion such as anger, sadness, anxiety, or shame. And to elevate the negative emotion, we engage in unhelpful coping mechanism that provides temporary relief but increase the problem in the long run, like excessive drinking, emotional eating, seeking validation from others, or blaming external factors for our problem. Since we avoid facing our fears, taking responsibility, or pursuing personal growth, we perpetuate the cycle of unhappiness and stagnation. And this cycle keeps on repeating, due to which we get trapped in the downward spiral, repeating the same patterns and feeling helpless and stuck. For example, if we score low in an exam, self doubt will kick in, which will activate negative emotions like anger and sadness, and we might start drinking, using drugs, or procrastinate instead of thinking what went wrong and how I could have done better. This cycle will keep on repeating unless we are aware of our negative thoughts and we are questioning and challenging our belief, which is creating these emotions. That is there any evidence to support your negative belief, or are they based on unfounded assumptions? We should embrace negative emotions and understand that they are a natural part of life. Accept discomfort as a necessary step for personal growth and resilience, and take responsibility of your action and choices, and understand that you have the power to make changes in your life. Concept 2. Embracing limitation and imperfection. Mark challenges the societal pressure to constantly strive for perfection. He encourages readers to embrace their limitation and accept that life is full of flaws and setbacks. By acknowledging our imperfection, we can lead more authentic and fulfilling lives. For example, let's say you are an aspiring artist, but you feel insecure about your skills compared to others. Manson argues that instead of fixating on being the best artist in the world, focus on enjoying the process and expressing yourself creatively. By embracing your unique style and not giving a fuck about external validation, you can find true fulfillment in the artistic journey. Concept 3. Happiness is a problem. Society often promotes the idea that we should be constantly happy and that any negative emotion are undesirable. This sets unrealistic expectation and puts pressure on individuals to constantly seek happiness, which becomes exhausting and unattainable in the long run. Mark mentions that we only become happy by solving problems. If we do not know how to ride a cycle, we struggle to ride it for first few days, but ultimately we learn the skill which will make us happy. Hence, true happiness occurs only when we find the problem we enjoy having as well as enjoy solving. Concept 4. Choosing what truly matters. Mark emphasizes the importance of selectively choosing what we care about. He explained that we have limited emotional and mental energy, so it's crucial to invest it wisely. If we care deeply about our family and personal growth, we should focus our attention on nurturing those areas and not waste energy on trivial matters that won't contribute to our overall well being. Imagine you receive a negative feedback about a presentation you gave at work. Instead of obsessing over every detail and seeking validation from others, Mark suggests focusing on the constructive criticism that can help you improve. By not giving a fuck about baseless negativity, you free up mental space to invest in personal growth and bettering your skills. In The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, Mark Manson provides a refreshing perspective on living a fulfilling life by managing feedback loop from hell, selectively choosing our concern, understanding happiness. By following these principles, we can also unlock a path towards authentic happiness. So let go of the unnecessary worries, focus on what truly matters, and start living the life on your own terms. This was the book summary of Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. If you liked the video, please give a video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which book should be the next summary on. I will keep on bringing book summaries for you.